Hi, we're the mother-daughter grounded good wife duo. I'm Velia, the history nut and mother.
And I'm Eris, the herbalist.
Eris has been making kombucha for at least 15 years. She's been making it long before it was this trendy hipster thing that it is today.
And if you make kombucha, you know the thing that you need to make it is called a Scoby.
What's that stand for?
A symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast. So people call it a kombucha mushroom, but it's not a mushroom at all. It's more like the mother in apple cider vinegar or the starter in sourdough bread. So it's kind of like a living thing that helps to ferment the kombucha.
Right, so every time you make a batch of kombucha, and we have a batch that Eris just flavored this morning sitting right here, every time you make kombucha, you're going to wind up with another Scoby. So eventually, if you keep it up, you're going to be inundated with Scobies. So you could take your leftover Scobies out to your compost pile and compost them. The problem is they're living things. So you're going to have to cover your ears and not listen to their cries for mercy as you toss them into the compost pile.
But one thing you can do with your extra Scobies is make Scoby face masks.
Why would someone do that?
You'll find out.
Okay. In this glass bowl, we have 2 Scobies that we're going to use for our face mask. So what's the first thing we're going to do, Eris?
I'm going to try and cut some eye holes.
Okay. Do you think maybe we should? I'm going to spread my towel out. What about you?
Sure. So here's a Scoby, number 1. So...
They actually look and feel like raw chicken or skin.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kind of weird.
Okay.
If you've never seen it before, you're probably like, what is that blob? But kind of looks and feels like what it looks like.
So we're going to be cutting into a living thing with a pair of scissors.
Yeah.
So if they scream... Okay. Are you cutting yours or mine?
I don't know.
I have bigger eyes than you, so make mine.
Okay.
Make mine.
Do you think it's like a snowflake thing where you like just like do it?
You mean? I don't know. That's a Scoby screaming.
Okay. This is like harder than it looks.
Wait, here Viola thinks something's wrong. Viola, our Great Dane just came. She thought somebody got hurt. Well, yeah,
okay.
Scoby got really hurt.
Okay, I got one.
Here comes Myra too. Holy moly. Okay, but wait, I don't know about you, but I need a nose hole too, because I plan on
number
breathing.
1, there's an eye.
Okay. Oh my God.
Okay, this is like harder than I thought. I don't know how far apart your eyes are.
Well, if you ever have to, my original thing I ever wanted to be in life was a surgeon. So, Eris, you never wanted to be a surgeon.
No.
So now you're going to see how hard it is to actually cut into human skin.
I've always wanted to know.
They also smell like kombucha, and although I really believe in the value of fermented things, I prefer to get my fermented goodness from kimchi, not from kombucha. So these definitely have that kimchi smell.
Kombucha smell. Okay, so those are the eye holes.
Did I say kimchi?
Okay.
I'm going to breathe though.
I think eye holes are good enough.
Are you kidding?
Okay.
What, are you going to breathe through our eyes?
That's good enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that mine or yours?
How about yours?
Okay, wow.
So the reason you want to make a Scoby face mask is not just like to be a total weirdo. It's because the pH level of the Scoby creates a bit of a mild acid peel on your skin and kind of sloughs off dead skin cells.
What word in that sentence do you hate? Eris hates the word slough. She hates a lot of words.
Should I do mine too?
Phlegm. Yeah. Eris, really seriously, how are we going to breathe?
I don't know.
This is pretty thick.
I know. These Scobies are like really especially giant, so I thought that'd be good for face masks.
Yeah.
Doo-doo-doo.
Well, before we started this, I think I have pretty good skin. So we'll see. We'll see how it looks after this whole process.
Okay.
Well, it looks like I'm going to be going first with this Scoby face mask. So this was my skin before I started. I think I had pretty nice skin to start out with. So, Eris, oh my God. I don't know how I'm going to breathe through this thing.
Okay, here you go.
Oh my God. Ew, it's like got a tentacle hanging. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys can smell bad this smells. Oh my God. Oh my God. Eye holes, are you kidding me? This is like, oh. Oh God. Oh, there's no eye holes, man. They're closed.
You're supposed to leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes.
This is like Daddy would love this because I'm like I'm muffled. You can't even hear what I'm saying. Oh my God.
How's it feel?
Cold. It stinks. I don't like kombucha in the first place. Oh. Okay. My eyes are over here. This is where my eyes are. I'm looking at cut the openings. Oh, I sound like a kidnapped victim. All right, I'm giving you a fresh one. I'm not giving you the one that I used. Are you ready? So you'll have to figure out.
Ew, it looks so cold and wet.
It's gross. For some.
Ew.
Okay, here you are.
I should have made bigger eye holes.
No,
Ew. Where are they?
I know. Ew, wait. Let me get yours from that side. Oh my God. Ew. It looks like. Ew. Nothing.
Ew, can I put it the other way?
Nope. Not much grosses me
I'm
out.
turning it around.
Okay. Ew.
This is so
No, you gotta.
cold and wet. I feel like I'm putting like a vinegary jellyfish on my face.
Take your hands away. You gotta.
It's getting in my mouth.
Stop! Someone's gonna film it during an earthquake. Okay, point where you cut the eye holes, and then where are your real eyes? Like, what were you thinking? I'm gonna zoom in. Wait, I just. Oh my god.
My eyes are burning.
I know. I told you.
Look at the mouth.
This is like.
Something's happening to my nose.
This would be like a good alien thing, wouldn't it?
Yeah, something's happening to my nose.
What do you mean? Is it sloughing off?
I think so.
Wow. Okay, well, see you in about 9 more minutes. Bye.
Okay, so my conclusion is, unless you like having like cold, wet jellyfish on your face, maybe don't do a Scoby face.
Did you get it in your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think my skin. Well, actually, my skin looks pretty good. How about yours?
I mean, I think I look like I've been through a hurricane.
You look like you poured kombucha in your eyes. I think maybe that could be the problem. So there are many other things you can do with your leftover Scobies. You can give them to friends. You can have a Scoby hotel, which we talk about in our class. And there's many other uses for Scobies. I don't think we would advocate doing a Scoby face mask again, would you?
It's not the most pleasant experience.
But we're thinking about having a Scoby face mask party. So if you'd like to join us, drop us an email. Sound good?
Stay
grounded.